Hey guys, this is Team 49, and we're gonna present our pet simulator called Spirit Stories. There we go.
So in the main menu, there's the title of our game, which is Spirit Stories, and there's also some wonderful background music that the player can listen to while playing the whole game. And in the middle, there's the new game button. There are 3 slots, and the user can select one of them and just start a new game.
And then this is the cutscene right here. So we have a little story for the players so they can see why they are taking care of the animals. And then you can read it over if you want. And once it's done, now we actually have the gameplay itself.
So for the gameplay, you're first able to select a name for your pet. So Jacob, let's name him Bob. How about that?
Sure.
Yeah, I like the name Bob. All right.
Yes.
So you can name them Bob. And as you can see on the right, the stats are on the very right. We have health, which obviously represents just the pet's health. We have happiness, which will go over time go down by 2% slightly. Sleep will go down by 5%, and hunger will also go down by 5%. And we have score. So score will go up in intervals of 5. And every 50 score, you'll get a reward. You'll see we're just about to get a reward. Okay, and so we're also able to feed, gift, and you can see all the functions below. So Jacob, let's feed our pets. So first, we're going to open up inventory, and you're going to select the specific things you want to feed. You can click off, and you can click feed. All right, now then, as you can see, hunger is now up, but it seems like our pet is a bit sleepy. So Jacob, you can press S, and our pet will go to sleep. Press S, not the button. All right. Now that the pet is asleep, as you can see, hunger will also go down slower and sleep will go back up. It will wake back up automatically once it reaches 100%. And score will still keep going up. While our little guy is sleeping, let's check out the settings panel real quick. All right, as you can see, you're still able to change the sound effect volumes and the music volumes right inside here. Just to clarify, the sound effects is just whenever you hover over specific things, it will make a little sound. All right, and so Jacob, let's try changing something. How about you change the play keybind to the letter L? All right, so maybe I want to press the letter L instead. You can press apply, and you can click off of that. All right, our guy's still sleeping. Let's wait. He's almost at 100%. So the next thing we're going to try is we're going to try play in just a second. Actually, no, let's feed our guy a little bit more. He seems a bit hungry. Jacob, let's try and feed him in just a second. All right, he seems to be awake now. So let's feed him. Yep. All right. And as you can see, the pet is very happy now. You can see that by the emotion displayed to the top right of the pet. All right, let's try playing. Jacob, press the letter L. All right, you can't see it, but he pressed the letter L, and once you play, they will obviously become much happier, but they'll also become more tired. This essentially works as the exercise and play function at the same time. Now then, in the case that our pet's health goes down, what we can also do is send them to the vet. So we'll display that thing in a second. We're going to let the hunger go down so their health starts going down. That while we can notice that their happiness is also going down. So let's give him a gift. All right, Jacob, can you give him a gift? All right, you can also press G for this, but we choose to just click the button just for now. And of course, yep, there you go, press G. And Jacob, put him to sleep now. Okay, so now we're going to have to wait till, of course, he wakes up. All right, our pet is just about to wake up, and when they're asleep, they basically don't take any damage. They're not doing anything, and they're in a very resting state, so we can assume that they won't take any health damage. But as you can see, our pet is very sad. His hunger is very low. And look at that, his health is going down. So, Jacob, quickly, let's feed our pet some more before it dies of hunger. All right, so give it some cake, give it some meat, and feed it. Feed it a little bit more. A little bit of food doesn't hurt. All right. And so now then let's, that's enough food. All right, so his health is down, or sorry, his health is already up. It's back up. It seems like he's healed up. Guess that's fine. But let's take him to the vet now. All right, assuming that if his health is down, you can take him to the vet. You can press V or you can click on the button. So Jacob, go ahead. Oh no. Well, we all know that pets don't like going to the vet. So the health will go up in the case that it's below 100%, and the happiness will go down. Now then, let's go back to the main menu and check out some other functionality within this game.
Okay, so the button that previously had the text New Game, it changed to Continue Game, which when pressed continues off from the player's previous game session. So the game session that we just played, it goes to that. And then if the player wants to create another game, then they would have to press Load Game instead and create a new one here.
For the load game now, we have some options. We can also create new games. Also, we can delete the file itself if you want to get rid of this one. So let's go back to the main menu.
There's also the tutorial button, which then just shows the player how to navigate through the program and just play the game.
As you can see, these are all the instructions. Here.
Join the Discord with chat.
Right. Now we're back in the main menu.
And also, the user can just exit the game by just pressing the exit game button, and it just stops the program.
Bye-bye!
So you can press exit game. And then there's the sound cue of saying bye-bye. In the bottom of the screen, there's also a setting button, achievement button, and a parental control button, which all sends the player to their respective windows.
Okay, so achievement pages, it serves as like a progress tracker and inventory management screen within the game. So it loads and displays the player's current score and inventory from saved game data. And it also presents, 36 unlockable achievements in 6x6 grid layout, where each achievement requires progressively higher scores in like increments of 50 points to unlock. And locked achievements appear with padlock icons, while unlocked ones display reward icons, and both with hover tooltips explaining their requirements. Yeah. So the inventory system visually organizes collected items using emoji icons there, paired with quantities, and it automatically filters out empty item slots. And so the interface, this interface maintains like consistent visual styling with custom fonts and responsive layouts, while there's a back button that allows us to return to main menu. So press the main menu or back to menu, sorry. So when we enter the gameplay, so press continue game, we can see both the score and the inventory button there, right? So now let's play and try to increase our score. So we can feed the animal, or yeah, let's try to feed. Right. And as we can see, the score goes up, right? The score goes up by 5 or 10. And so we should see an update on the achievement page with one more block removed. And it should be updated as you can see. Yes, there's one more unlocked achievement, and yeah, the quantity has decreased. And that's basically it for the achievement page.
Yeah, when you enter the parental page, you need to enter a password for verification, such as 1, 2, 3 for the first time, and you can change the password on the page. The timer starts when you enter the gameplay screen and stops when you click return to main menu. You can see the total last and average playtime here. They are updated every minute. If you want to reset all playtime values to 0, you can just click the reset button. If your child pet has died, you can click the revive button to bring back to life. In the section, you can also set a screen time limit. You just need to input the hour and minute values, then press enter to confirm. When the time runs out, the gameplay screen will automatically return to the main menu. For the enable time limit option, you need to check the box first, input the time, and press enter to save. When the time is active, the user will not be able to enter the game. That's all.
Nice. All right. I guess thanks for watching our demo video. Yeah, that's pretty much it.